Managing on-site physical servers is expensive and time-consuming. This time, money, and energy should be focused on growing your business, not on maintenance of your infrastructure. Effortless Hawaii's solution moves your in-house servers into the virtual cloud environment. We provide top-of-the-line infrastructure tools backed up by vCloud hypervisors, NetApp storage, all on a Cisco UCS Blade chassis. With our Effortless Hawaii cloud servers, all of your files are stored on your virtual cloud. Having virtual servers eliminates the maintenance requirements of in-house servers, including hardware, cabling, cooling, backup generators, and more. By having your infrastructure hosted off-site, it allows your IT staff to focus on what's important, such as planning and development. The goal of the Effortless Hawaii Cloud Server is to provide a flexible, standardized, and virtualized operating environment that allows applications to perform at their peak without downtime. Leveraging our infrastructure allows you to operate like an enterprise-level organization, no matter what size your company is. It's time to move your business to a service-based model or cloud virtual private server. You receive the same resources and power you need to continue working efficiently while devoting more time to business development and strategy. Work less, worry less. Effortless Hawaii.